As a Filipino, how do we teach our children to learn about our culture and heritage? And how do we make them understand the importance of these things? One great idea is to make them experience what Boodle Fight is all about. Boodle Fight is a military practice of eating meal using bare hands, where food is piled on top of a banana leaf and laid out on a long table, and eating starts at the same time. Hello everyone, I am Eleanor Banzuela Hutton. This is not a reading tutorial. Rather, I would just like to share with you one of the activities that I attended in school. And for our little children to experience what Boodle Fight is all about, welcome to our Pistos and Ayon themed Boodle Fight activity at Gogon Central School, Legazpi City, Philippines. The Parents and Teachers Association officers and members of Grade 1 Jupiter and Earth joyfully and wholeheartedly participated in the preparation of the venue and the foods for the Boodle Fight. It was prepared to suit the needs of the children. Seems weird. The kids are nowhere to be found. Where are they?
Boboy pa ko dito sa bawal dito sa dito sa gilid. Hindi man kamo magsarayaw o ano tayo dyan o. Ayun na, pwede nga o. Sayaw, duman. Dali. Elaine ko na. Sir Job. Sayaw, sayaw. Sayaw na. Umali dyan sa maagis yung judges. Ano dyan?
Set on the table is pork adobo and gulay na malunggay sa gata. Kids, the table is now ready for Boodle Fight. Let's go. And now, our customers, the children who are very excited to eat what's in front of them. Looks so delicious. I really do believe that my grandson Cleve, or Chio as I fondly call him, and also his classmates will become good leaders in the future. For see how they behave in here? They are well mannered and can easily address or follow orders. They were told to fall in line according to gender for the photo ops. The room is not air conditioned, and you can see the kids getting uneasy and wiping their faces, but they still remain still on where they were. And thank you to the parents for the great assistance in maintaining the peace and order in the room. You know, kids, they are difficult to manage, but in here they showed some bit of control. It's Boodle Fight time! Jan charon! Great going guys! Hayaan, masisimot ng kinakain ninyo. Sarap na sarap kayo sa maanghang na gulay na malunggay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, then like and share my videos.